Hi, I'm Meredith with NVHomes at the beach. You are going to love seeing all Coastal Club and NVHomes at the beach has to offer. This extraordinary resort community is situated around a 42-acre wildlife preserve bordered by rolling woods. Coastal Club is so rich with amenities that you will never want to leave. Enter the gated community and you'll be greeted by our Southern-style clubhouse, featuring an indoor lap pool, state-of-the-art fitness center, yoga studio, and game room. Begin your day enjoying sights and sounds of nature along the 3-mile Eagle View Trail, or spend time tending your plot in the community garden. Grab a cup of coffee at the Lighthouse Club with friends. Enjoy a game of tennis, pickleball, or bocce ball with neighbors. Take a dip in the incredible infinity pool and enjoy a cocktail at the only swim-up pool bar in Delaware. Don't forget the water playground with pirate ship for the kids. Your dogs will have a blast too. Coastal Club's dog park is a favorite destination for our four-legged friends. In our exclusive Montauk section, you'll find our collection of luxury single-family homes, all offering first-floor owner suites, up to 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. Great for any family or friends who may be visiting. This beautiful neighborhood is surrounded by trees and ponds and offers a serene setting. All home sites offer basements, and this community is supplied by natural gas. Make your appointment today. I can't wait to meet you.